This time on the table we have the EPW electric high-pressure water pump models. We have two lines. We have the DC versions and we have the AC versions. But let's dig into the DC versions first. The main components are the permanent magnet motor, the triplex high-pressure water pump, and the motor control unit, which is actually the brains of the unit. In other words, the motor control unit controls everything for the DC motor, so a separate inverter is not needed. We have three models: 200 bar 30 liters a minute version, a 200 bar 50 liters a minute version, and a 450 bar version with 20 liters a minute of flow. Naturally, since these are DC, these would be installed on E-version machines, so straight electric machinery. In other words, the connections you need from base machine are battery line connections to the motor control unit and the control interface, which would apply or give you the ability to have the start and stop function in the cabin of the machine itself. One of the key features that has to be taken into account is also the cooling of the unit, because the cooling happens with the base machine's basic cooling system, so that has to be also connected. The applications for the EPW DC versions would be all electric construction machinery, mining machinery, and vehicles altogether, because this is, like said, connected straight to the battery line of the base machine and always on board, ready to be used whenever needed. Let's have a look at the AC version of the EPW. Again, the same basic idea that electrics run the motor for the triplex pump, but in this case, like said, it's an AC motor, so this would be on a stationary, for instance, at a screening or crushing station where you have conveyors and whatnot stationary, and you can actually apply the power from the grid. Again, two models, both have the same output, 15 liters at 200 bar, but the basic version is kind of a dust suppression pump. In other words, when it's electrified, it always is running at the same time. The other version would be the one to have the automatic start-stop function, which would be on washing applications, just like a basic pressure washer where you pull the trigger of the washing gun, the motor starts, and when you release it, the electric motor stops. And like always, when you come across a need for something like this, contact your local Dynaset dealer or your local Dynaset rep for more information and more details. Everything naturally is explained on the manuals and data sheets, so don't hesitate to be in contact. Thanks again, guys.